today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WhatsApp link and button on your WordPress website. And the great news is that the entire process takes only about 5 minutes. If you want to make it easier for visitors to contact you directly through WhatsApp or add a modern communication feature to your website, this quick guide will walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started. First, head over to wordpress.com where you'll be managing and editing your site. On the homepage, you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click it. You'll be given a few login options, but for this tutorial, we're using Continue with Google. A list of your Google accounts will appear, so choose the one linked to your WordPress site. Double check that you're selecting the correct account. This ensures you're editing the right website. Once you're logged in, look toward the right-hand side of your screen for the Quick Links panel. Click Edit Site to enter the main editor. Now move your attention to the top left corner of the editor and click the Add button. This is where you can insert new blocks to your site. In the search bar that pops up, type a WhatsApp button. When the WhatsApp button block appears in the results, click on it to add it to your page. This is the moment where you connect your actual WhatsApp account. Linking your account is essential because it allows visitors to message you directly through WhatsApp without any extra steps. Just follow the prompts on screen. Make sure your WhatsApp is active on your device to ensure a smooth connection. Once your account is linked, the next step is embedding the button into your website. WordPress will guide you through this. Usually you'll click Connect, then Embed, and the button will instantly appear on your page. That's all it takes. You've successfully added a fully functional WhatsApp link and button to your WordPress site. Now, your visitors can reach you with a single tap, making your site more interactive and improving your communication flow instantly. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped you out, feel free to drop a like or leave a comment. Happy editing!